Good morning or afternoon, depending on where you're at. What's up, YouTube? Some of you that follow the channel or have come across it have seen this liner and the video that I done when I put this liner in. As you can see, I'm still using the same liner. This liner's been in here for several years now. It's a expandable overlap pool liner. This liner, the original liner of the pool, had a leak in it. Didn't know where it was at, and I didn't want to replace the pool, so I just bought this big ass liner and put it in here, and it has worked pretty good. I've had a lot of questions on how I done this connection right here with this liner. When the pool gets drained down, I'll show you from the inside kind of what's going on there. You can see it is nasty. It's time to go. Time to get this thing ready. I get these trees here, and all these leaves get down in this pool. But eventually what I want to do with this liner is trim it and PVC glue it. That's what's right here. This is PVC glue on the liner. You can see, man, it's held her in place. So I'll trim it down and PVC glue it, because this frame is still pretty decent on this pool. I'll probably get another 2 years out of it anyway. The rust ain't too bad, but eventually I will have to replace this pool. I've had it for 7 years now, and I leave it up all year, and she's still doing pretty good. But if you don't mind the liners looking like this, you know, you can do this yourself if you can find this liner. The company that I got this liner from is no longer in business. I have no idea, but you can search. Just do expandable overlap liner, pool liner. This, and you'll find them. This one was $100. I don't know how much they are now. Counting inflation, they'll probably be more like 150, 160 now, I would guess. But I'm gonna let this drain down, and when it gets down to the well, when I get this empty, I'll kind of go inside of it and show you guys a few things, try to clear up some questions. But this is my Saturday. It's May the 14th. Time to get the pool going. It's supposed to be 85 degrees today, but we'll get her done. Oh yeah, real quick while I'm doing that, got the little garden spot ready. So I got a few tomatoes in there. But anyways, I'll see you guys in a bit. Let this thing drain a little bit. See ya. Okay, she is draining down. You can see I got a lot of leaves in the bottom of it. I use a sump pump to drain mine, because anybody that's watched the previous videos knows I took out the drain hole. But I'm gonna try to go over here and explain something real quick about what I'm doing with this pump hole. I have a lot of questions. Let's see. Okay. So this is the liner that I installed. Underneath this piece that screws through your liner is a gasket. And in between the new liner and the old liner, there's another gasket. That's how I keep it from leaking. See? It looks like it would normally from the outside, but there's two gaskets there. One underneath this piece, on top of this liner, and one in between this liner and the original liner. And it doesn't leak. And down here where I cut out the hole, hard piece of plastic, and it's duct taped in, and the liner sits on top of it right down there. Never had an issue with it. There's you a good view, guys. She's getting down there. Nasty. You'd think I'd cover it. Got that little pump off Amazon. I've had it for about 5 years now. Works great. Dumping all the water out down here. show you what kind of pressure strain this pump has. If I had a bigger hose, bigger diameter hose, I could really throw the water. I think that pump was less than 40 bucks. And she got all kinds of power. Oh, there. Good pump. Works great. Highly recommend it to anybody. If I can find it, I'll share the link. But that's where we're at right now. I'll give you guys an update whenever we get the bottom of her cleaned, or most of the water out. I'll come back out here and do another video. Then we start filling. May get in here and show you where the drain hole is. I don't know if you'll be able to see it. Well, yeah, you can kind of start to see it there a little bit. I'll have to show you from the inside when the water gets down. But she is nasty, that's for damn sure. Alright, I'll be back. Yep. See, we got water going in. Got it cleaned out. Another year for the liner. See how many leaves are in there. Oh, shit ton, because we got this big tree right here. Got that one over there too. But the liner looks good still. Had it in here for several years. You guys saw the video when I put it in. But you can see I still got some cleaning to do around that seam. I'm gonna wait till it gets full. I'm gonna get some chemicals in there and we'll clean her up, then vacuum this bottom out real good. And she'll be good for another summer. Still haven't got this trimmed down yet. I checked my PVC glue that I had and it wasn't any good, so I'm gonna have to get some more. I'm gonna wait till it gets full, then we'll trim this down and attach it to the top. No, about 14 hours from now it'll be full. Takes a while. And after that, this is our next project. Gonna change this sand. You wanna see why this sand's gotta be changed? Look at that nasty crap. Yep, got a whole bag right there, so we'll be good to go. We take this in through the winter so it doesn't freeze and bust. I've seen a lot of them do that. But there it is. I'll be back with an update when she gets halfway through and full, and once I get the sand filter on it, and show you that this still doesn't leak after all these years. I don't know if you can see it. I thought maybe you could see a gasket there, but I don't guess you can. But she's filling it. Catch you later, guys. Back in a few. Alrighty. Everything is going good. Everything looks fine. Like I said, I still gotta do a little bit of cleaning. When she gets full, I'll get in there and vacuum all this debris out. But what you didn't see on camera is I went ahead and changed the sand. Got the pump back over there. Now I just gotta clean up my damn mess out here. We got crap everywhere. But anyways, the pool's getting ready to be good for another season. Liner works. Like I said, whenever I get ready to attach this liner at the top, I'll show you how I do that. I might get another couple years out of this pool, but I figured I'd share the experience. Yeah, it's gonna get dark on me before long, so I need to get to cleaning, get this stuff straightened up. I'll keep y'all updated, let you know how this goes. But you know, a lot of people have watched the videos and asked about this liner like this. This is what it looks like in the pool, and it works great. Like I said, I'm out in the country and I wasn't too concerned on looks. I was worried about functionality. Everything's so expensive now. Save money where you can. Good way to extend the life of your pool if you can't really afford to buy a new one, because they're pretty high now. And at the time, this liner, like I said, was only 100 bucks. But anyways, I gotta get to clean this up. We catch y'all. Thanks for watching.